everyone, welcome back. I'm glad that you're still here with me. I know I've been away for a little while. I was, as Nicole put it, banished to a job, so I was away for a little bit. On today's episode, we're not cooking food, we're gonna cook clothes today. So as you can see, I just got my hair done, and when they were washing my hair out, I wore this shirt. Shouldn't have, but I did. When they were washing it, some of the, I guess, bleach and the water got on the shirt. I didn't realize it. So I'm chalking this shirt up to being ruined, but I figured I would try something for all of us. I know they say when the shirt or the fabric gets bleach on it, it's damaged. It's probably never going to be able to be fixed, or it won't ever be able to be fixed. But we are going to try something out today, and we are going to Rit dye this shirt. Now, some people told me, oh, well, you should try the same color as the shirt, so if it works, it's the same color. If not, but since, like I said, I'm counting this shirt as ruined, why not have some fun with it and see what comes out with this color. So what you can't see is I've already got my water on the stove. It's coming up to temperature. They tell you on these directions to add a teaspoon of dish detergent. Did they say dish detergent or laundry detergent? Liquid dish detergent. Okay, so Dawn, we're gonna go with Dawn, and then a cup of salt. And so, like I said, we're going to, and they tell you to wear rubber gloves. I didn't have any big rubber gloves, so I've got 3 pairs of gloves on, and as you can see, I don't have a shirt on, so that doesn't get ruined. But we're going to, like I said, try out this scarlet. Red's my favorite color, so if it works, great. If it doesn't, we're both learning. So it says to stir consistently for 30 minutes until the desired color is achieved, up to 60 minutes. It's gonna be darker when it's wet and prior to washing. And then we'll rinse it out with cool water and then hand wash it. So I don't wanna put it in my washing machine either. I'm not making that mistake. So again, here is the shirt. As you can see, it's got some pretty gnarly stains on it, so we're gonna see what happens. So I will be back with you here once everything is done, and we'll see what happens. I've had it on the stove now for an hour. So, I mean, as you can see there, that red looks a little bit different where the bleach was than the actual t-shirt. So we're gonna see what happens, but you can definitely tell that there's a difference between the bleached fabric and the regular fabric. Now, the bottle says it's of course darker because it's wet. So I am now going to put this into the sink and wash it in cold water, and then wash it with a little bit of detergent. I'm gonna pour this dye water out. I'll fill this back up, kind of hand wash it with some detergent in here. But again, the next step is to take this out of the pot and run it under cold water until that water runs clear. And then once that water runs clear, like I said, then I'll pour the dye water out, fill it back up with water, and kind of hand wash it with some detergent, and we'll see what happened. Again, if it works, great, grand, that's fabulous. If it didn't, it's not that big of a deal. Like I said, I knew that the shirt was probably ruined from the bleach, and the Rit dye was about $3. So I'm not gonna count it up as a big major loss. It's a learning experience for all of us. So I am, like I said, gonna take this out, do the next couple of steps, and I'll be back with you here in just a little bit. Okay, so welcome back. Here is our finished product. So it's still a tad bit damp, but it's been in the dryer. And so, as you can see, You can still see the bleach stain. It did still show up. Like we talked about before, the bleach did damage the fabric, but it did take some of the color. And you can see that the rest of the shirt took the color very well. It didn't take it in the stitching. So, I mean, I absolutely love this color, and I think it turned out amazing. Again, you can see some of the bleach spots there as well, and some other stains. I'm not sure if it's just still wet, but I mean, all in all, I am very pleased with how it turned out, and I'm curious if anybody else has used Rit Dye. I did use the entire bottle for this application, and just curious as to what everyone thinks might happen if I was to do another application, if that would help kind of even this out, or is it always going to look like that? Let me know what you think down in the comments. I might, like I said, for $3 go pick up another bottle of it and see what happens, but I absolutely love this color. So, I mean, it didn't even stain the buttons, nothing like that. So, like I said, I may try another round of it and see what happens. So, this has been our experiment with Rit Dye on a blue, light blue, bleach damaged button-up shirt. So, again, let me know if you've Rit Dyed anything. If, like I said, if you think another application will help even that out at all, or if I should put the Rit Dye directly on it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And if I do, like I said, another application of it, I'll let you know how it turns out. All right, thank you so much, everyone. You have a good day. Bye-bye.